It's your girl Sin, and I am back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm unboxing, make sure you stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Welcome back, Prince Squad, big timers, old timers, and if this is your first time watching my videos, welcome first timers. Today I'm going to be unboxing some DTF transfers from a company by the name of Best DTF USA. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab the package and just kind of let y'all know what my first impression is. Okay, so right here I see that they do have a big green sticker right here that tells you the instructions and how to press their transfer. So I kind of like that. It's on the outside of the package. You don't have to worry about looking for it. You see it right here on the front of the package. So that's a big plus. You don't have to worry about keeping up with an extra sheet of paper. I'm sure they stick these on every order that comes out. And then as you see, it's in a tube. It's not in a huge tube. I guess it would depend on how many you order. And it's got the little end caps on each end, and it's also taped up, so it is well packaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and let you guys check everything out with me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my blade. Might have to do a little bit more cutting because he got that thing wrapped up pretty good. All right. He got that thing wrapped up pretty darn good, y'all. Pretty darn good. Let me use these scissors because I don't want to accidentally cut myself. So we do only have to take one end off, and I think we'll be good to go after that. I'm gonna cut this just so it won't stick to the transfers. Cut this little extra off right here. All right, so I'm thinking we are good now. We can just pop that off. So I'm gonna go ahead, slide this thing off right here. So we got a note right here. And y'all, I don't know if y'all can tell that my lighting has changed in here. So the lighting is, I now have better lighting. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna take this off right here. And I am going to read, hello, this is your friend Jesus Corona. These are some of our DTF transfers. Hopefully you like them, and let me know what I need to do or pay for you to showcase. Nothing. You don't gotta pay nothing, Jesus. You good. You good with me. Let me see. For you to showcase my transfers on one of your videos. There's another box coming. All right. Jesus, it seems like Jesus done hook your girl up with some DTF transfers. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. I'm gonna go ahead and unroll. Let me back y'all up because this might be it seems like this roll might be pretty long, so I'm gonna back y'all up a little bit so I can kind of see. Okay, so right here, these may just be some of his stock transfers, but I'm telling you, so far they are looking super duper bright. And let me see. All right. Okay, I see you, Jesus. I see you. These are his summer transfers right here. Okay. So I'm gonna cut. I don't know if I need to cut this roll off or what, because it seems like this roll is never ending. I don't know how long it is, but y'all look at that. Life is better in flip-flops. Okay. Look at that, y'all. I mean, it's a whole lot of these transfers right here. And they all different. So this is like a super long game sheet. I don't even know how long this is, y'all. But look, y'all can see I got transfers for days. Transfers for days. So I have unrolled the whole thing, y'all. I don't even know how long this whole thing is right here. But I'm telling you, I appreciate you, Jesus. I appreciate you always supporting the channel. You don't got to worry about nothing. I'm going to put this video out, and when the other ones come in, I'll do a video on those also. But yeah, I will leave a link down below this video. His website is bestdtfusa.com. Let me double check and make sure. bestdtfusa.com is the website. bestdtfusa.com. Y'all see it? Y'all see it right there on the screen. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to find something on here. I'm going to find something to print real quick, y'all. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to print one of these transfers so we can check everything out. I decided what I'm going to print. I'm going to print something for Bella. Y'all know I always got to print stuff for Bella. So I'm going to do this Summer Vibes right here. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And look, the good thing about having it on the roll is I can just cut this one design out and I can leave the rest of them on there, and I can roll them back up and store them right back in that little tube that it came in. So this is what it's looking like. And it is good and bright, as y'all see right here. So now I just got to decide what color shirt to print it on. So I got two options to choose from. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and the first shirt that we're going to try is this blue right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay this blue out. And the blue could go. The blue could go. I don't know if I'm completely sold with the blue. So we're going to check out this orange. We're going to check out the orange. All right, so we got the orange right there. The orange could work. The orange could go also. But I don't know. I'm not completely sold on either of those. I think I like the orange better. We're going to try a gold shirt and see what that looks like. All right, so we're going to lay this gold shirt out right there. And let me see. I don't know. I thought the gold would be better. I don't know. I think I'm going to go with the orange. I think I'm going to go with the orange shirt. That's what we're going to go with. We're going to go with the orange. All right. I'm going to go ahead and press it just to make it flat all the way because it is pretty wrinkled. Okay. And now I'm going to go ahead and find the center on there. Make sure we got that thing squared up. And I'm going to go ahead and press it out. Okay, we do have to let it cool before we peel it. So, and I think it's looking good. So I'm going to let that thing cool and I'm going to check back in and peel it for y'all. All right, so I think it's cooled enough. So we're going to go ahead and peel. Oh, I like it. I like that, y'all. This is what it's looking like once peeled right here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and take the Teflon cover and press it again. It says to press it again for 15 seconds. I'm going to go by the directions because that's what it says, but I usually press it for about 6 seconds. I don't know. Y'all, I don't know. I think we good. I think we good. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all check it out. All right, so that's what it's looking like right there. Let me know what y'all think. I think it's nice. It's real bright. Look, I probably should have printed this for me. I done printed it on this shirt for Bella now, but I kind of like it. You know, I thought it came out nice. I tried to use some, you know, kind of use some colors that wasn't too much in there. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I appreciate it, Jesus. Thank you for sending me those transfers to try out. And I'm sure, look, I probably could use them. I'm sure some customers would probably like some of that stuff printed on their shirt. Probably some people that's watching this video might like some of those things printed on their shirt. But I appreciate you again. And if anybody's interested in the transfers, right here, that's the website right there. Best DTF USA. Right there. So I will also leave a link down below this video. So y'all make sure y'all hit the homie Jesus up if y'all interested in some DTF transfers. And I appreciate you watching. If you like the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're still watching and you have not subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will see you in another episode. But until then, be blessed.